Welcome, health enthusiasts. Today, we delve into the captivating topic of healthy aging and how our genetics play a critical role. Healthy aging, a term you've probably come across, is all about maintaining independence, vitality, and a high quality of life as we grow older. It's a comprehensive concept that involves more than just physical health. It's about staying mentally sharp, maintaining strong social connections, and feeling good about life. Picture it as a well-rounded wellness that weaves together the physical, mental, and social aspects. But why is understanding healthy aging significant? Well, it equips us with the tools to age gracefully, keeping us active and engaged in our later years. It's about ensuring that our golden years are truly golden. So buckle up as we unravel this fascinating journey towards understanding the dynamics of healthy aging. Indeed, healthy aging is a comprehensive concept that involves more than just physical health. Now let's explore how our genes are blueprinting our aging process. Genetics, the study of heredity and variation in living organisms, plays a crucial role in the aging process. Each of us carries a unique set of genes, inherited traits coded in our DNA that determine our physical characteristics, personality traits, and even our susceptibility to certain diseases. Think of your genes as a set of instructions or a blueprint for your body. They dictate everything from the color of your eyes to how well your body metabolizes certain nutrients. But when it comes to aging, the role of genetics becomes a bit more complex. Inherited traits can predispose us to live longer or shorter lives, and genetic variations can impact our health span, the period of life spent in good health, free from chronic diseases or disabilities. But genetics is just one piece of the puzzle. Our genes interact with our lifestyle choices and environmental factors to shape our aging outcomes. For instance, a person with a genetic predisposition to heart disease may never develop the condition if they eat a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and manage their stress effectively. Conversely, a person without such a genetic predisposition could still develop heart disease if they lead an unhealthy lifestyle. As you can see, our genes significantly influence our aging journey, but they don't write the entire story. Moving forward, let's discuss the genetic markers linked to longevity and healthy aging. Science has made remarkable strides in understanding the genetics behind why some people live to be 100 and still go for a morning jog, while others may struggle with health issues much earlier in life. Research has revealed that certain genetic markers or variations in our DNA are associated with longevity. These markers are found in genes related to essential biological processes such as cellular repair, inflammation, oxidative stress, and metabolism. For instance, variations in the FOXO3 gene, known for its role in stress resistance and metabolism regulation, have been linked to an increased likelihood of reaching a ripe old age. But what does this mean for you? Well, understanding these genetic markers can potentially help predict health outcomes. With a simple saliva sample, genetic testing can reveal your unique genetic makeup, including whether you carry these markers of longevity. However, it's important to remember that genes aren't destiny. While these markers can provide a window into our potential for healthy aging, they don't guarantee it. Factors like lifestyle, diet, and environment also play a critical role. These genetic markers provide valuable insights into the complex puzzle of aging. They help us understand why some people stay healthy into old age, and they offer exciting possibilities for guiding personalized health interventions. But remember, living a long, healthy life involves more than just your genes. It's a complex interplay of many factors, and we're just beginning to unravel this fascinating mystery. Now, let's delve into the genetic risk factors for common age-related diseases. Just as our genes can influence our hair color or height, they can also play a pivotal role in determining our susceptibility to certain diseases, especially as we age. Let's take a look at a few examples. Cardiovascular diseases, including heart disease and stroke, are leading causes of death globally. Certain genetic variants are known to increase the risk of these conditions. However, understanding these genetic predispositions can allow for early interventions, such as adopting a heart-healthy lifestyle or taking preventative medications. Alzheimer's disease, a devastating form of dementia, also has a strong genetic component. The presence of a gene called ApoE4 is known to significantly increase a person's risk of developing Alzheimer's. While there's currently no cure for Alzheimer's, knowing one's genetic risk can guide strategies for maintaining brain health and potentially delaying the onset of symptoms. Similarly, genes can influence the risk of developing certain types of cancer and osteoporosis. For instance, mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes can increase the risk of breast and ovarian cancer, while certain genetic variants can affect bone density and the risk of fractures. Understanding these genetic risk factors can be a game changer in the fight against age-related diseases. It can inform personalized prevention strategies and early interventions, potentially saving lives and improving the quality of life for millions of individuals. Knowing your genetic risk factors can be a powerful tool in preventing age-related diseases. Let's now explore how our lifestyle choices can influence our gene expression. Diving into the depths of our genetic code, we find an intricate world where our genes interact with the environment in a dynamic dance called epigenetics. Here, lifestyle factors can play a significant role. Let's imagine our DNA as a grand orchestra, with each gene being a different instrument. Epigenetics is like the conductor, guiding when and how each instrument plays. But here's the fascinating part. Our lifestyle choices can influence this conductor. For instance, the food we eat, the amount of physical activity we engage in, how well we manage stress, the quality of our sleep, and even our social interactions can all influence our gene expression. In other words, they can modulate how our genes manifest themselves in our bodies. Take diet, for instance. Consuming a balanced, nutrient-rich diet can promote the expression of genes associated with health and longevity, while a poor diet may trigger genes associated with disease. Similarly, regular exercise can activate genes that improve our metabolism and overall health. In essence, our lifestyle choices create an environment that can either encourage the symphony of health or the dissonance of disease in our bodies. So while we may not be able to change the notes written in our genetic score, we can influence how the music is played. It's a compelling testament to the power we hold over our well-being, even at a genetic level. Your lifestyle choices can significantly influence how your genes express themselves. Now, imagine a personalized approach to healthy aging. Let's discuss how it can be possible. We're living in an era where medicine is becoming more tailored to the individual, shaped not only by our symptoms, but also by our genetic makeup. This personalized approach to health and wellness is paving the way for a new understanding of healthy aging. By analyzing our genetic profiles, we can identify potential predispositions to certain diseases and even gauge our body's response to different types of diets, exercise, and stress management techniques. These insights then enable healthcare professionals to design personalized health interventions that are most likely to benefit us. Emerging trends in precision medicine are taking this a step further. Precision medicine considers individual variability in genes, environment, and lifestyle in the prevention and treatment of diseases. It's like having a health strategy designed specifically for you, taking into account your unique genetic blueprint. And it's not just about medicine. The field of nutrigenomics explores how our diet interacts with our genes, influencing our health and aging process. This means that the food we eat could be optimized based on our genetic profiles. Lifestyle medicine is another exciting field, looking at how factors like exercise, stress levels, and even social interaction can influence our health outcomes. It's about more than just treating diseases. It's about promoting overall wellness and longevity. In essence, personalized health approaches leverage our genetic insights to help us age as healthily as possible. A personalized approach to health and wellness can optimize your health span and longevity. Before we conclude, let's tackle some ethical considerations surrounding genetic testing. As we unlock the secrets of our DNA, we are also opening a Pandora's box of ethical issues. One of the most prominent concerns is privacy. How can we ensure that our genetic information, once obtained, remains confidential? Who has access to it and how can it be used? These are questions that need thoughtful answers, as the misuse of genetic data could lead to discrimination or stigmatization. Another point to ponder is the psychological impact of genetic testing. Learning about a predisposition to a certain disease can cause distress and anxiety. It's important to weigh the benefits of knowing your genetic risk against the potential psychological impact. This is where genetic counseling comes into play. Genetic counselors are healthcare professionals trained to guide individuals through the process of genetic testing. They provide education about genetic risks, help interpret test results, and offer support for decision-making. By integrating genetic counseling into healthcare practices, we can empower individuals to make informed decisions about their health. Further, it's also vital to consider the principle of informed consent. Individuals should fully understand the implications, benefits, and risks of genetic testing before they choose to proceed. This includes understanding how their data will be used, stored, and who will have access to it. Informed consent and education are crucial when it comes to genetic testing and health management. As we wrap up, let's summarize the key points discussed today. We've delved deep into the fascinating world of healthy aging and genetics, unveiling the intricate dance between our inherited traits and the lifestyle choices we make. It's clear that aging is a multifaceted process, influenced not only by our genetic makeup, but also by our physical, mental, and social well-being. We've learned that certain genetic markers can give us clues about our longevity and health span, while also highlighting potential risk factors for age-related diseases. But it's not all in the genes. Lifestyle factors play a significant role and can even modulate our gene expression through epigenetic mechanisms. In this realm of knowledge and understanding, we find empowerment. It's not about fearing the aging process. Instead, it's about embracing the potential for personalized approaches to health and well-being. It's about taking proactive steps towards a vibrant and fulfilling life. Remember, your genes can influence your aging process, but you have the power to shape your health outcomes.